Paul, in your opinion, okay, agentic AI, right? What triggers in your mind first thing, and how would you explain in simple terms what are we dealing with?
Yeah, so I mean that we're all sort of grasping for a metaphor, right? And so I don't know if we've painted ourselves into a little bit of a corner using the notion of agentic. But I think the simplest way, when we talk to clients specifically about what we do, which is around software engineering and the software engineering lifecycle, it's basically being able to take work that we're very familiar with, right? And whether it's testing or software development or data management, and breaking it down into much more discrete bits of work, right? So right now we have people that do stuff, right? If you're testing, for example, right, you're a tester, right, and you test the code and you make sure that the quality is high. And what this notion of agentic AI does is if you take that down and break it into its constituent steps, and then move certain of those steps to, as Ben said, to that software, right? That right now we're calling an agent. If you string enough of those agents together, basically that process becomes modernized and you get still a person in the loop. There's still humans there, but the agents help that human become much, much more effective. And also to Ben's point, as we're maturing right now, that software is taking over more and more of that work. So that engineer, in that case, the tester, becomes much, much more productive. You get better software. The work gets done a lot faster. There's more transparency. So if you're a CIO or a CTO, hopefully you're sleeping better at night because you know how the work is being done, right? And so that's really the promise of this, right?